Oh, mama cow, it's been a while without thinking of you, Macau, but the thought makes me smile. Oh, mama cow, I really wanna see you, Macau. Can you show me, Macau? Oh, mama cow, it's been a while. The thought makes me smile. Oh, mama cow. Oh, mama cow, it's been a while. The thought makes me smile. Oh, my mama cow. Oh, mama cow.
Okay, that's gonna be our target street right there. So we're gonna go straight up, straight down that way. And we're actually in Sapala ruins right here. So we're gonna walk around this way, and then we're gonna end up down the backside of this, and then down that way. This Passion Street as well, another good street to film. Saint Francis Xavier. Do I look a little bit like a saint? Or something like that. Anyways, I'll keep the hood on just in case I may or may not, but it's kind of interesting. Anyways, we got this up on the map, and we're in Macau, of course, and this particular street is named after the famous martyr who actually died not too far from here in an island off the coast of Macau. But anyways, there's lots of streets named after him, and there's kind of it's connected to the city for sure. And I don't know if he has the prominent role in Macau itself, but he died in this area. Anyways, and one of his bones was buried in one of the churches here. Anyways, let's get into it. So we got some music for you. You can see that. And we're going to get right into the street where we're going to film it as if you were there yourself, and you can hear all the sights and sounds and people and all that cool stuff. All right, St. Francis Xavier. Okay, so before we go down that way, let's just show you what's going on here. So this is Sapala ruins. I'll try to get another angle in a second. There we go, there it is. Maybe get a better perspective of it. So not only do you have that, but you also have this views up here too. See if we can navigate a little bit and get to it. So yeah, this is the way down and into Senado Square. But we're going to be going down the back way. We're just kind of showing you what it looks like up here before we go down. I like to give a little bit of context to it, so that way you can kind of see. And there's actually an inscription right here, this little cornerstone right there. So this cornerstone was here since 1602. So that was the foundation of rock of Sapala ruins. Then this backside is a museum. And we're going to be going down Calzada de San Francisco Xavier. this street. So this is our target street, which is directly down that way. But you can see these nice views. There's also a nice temple right here too at the base. So I think what I'll do is just kind of briefly share a little bit here. And then this at the base too is some museums and Patio do Espino. So it kind of has like a little bit of a village. And then this is a really photogenic shot right here. A lot of people will take this shot. It's kind of cool too. With that shot right there, we'll have this Sao Paulo ruins and Grand Lisboa Casino in the background. It's really sunny. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do is start walking down our street, but that's where all the tourism is at, down that way. And then these walls right here are some of the original walls, so they're made out of like oyster shells and stuff like that. I'm gonna come into the shade a little bit. Yeah, now you have this, I think this is, yeah, it's kind of soft. So you have to be kind of careful. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, actually this is, it's good when you're in the shade. Some apartments up there. I don't know the story about these. Oh, the Passion, this is a cinema right here. So this is the other side of Passion Cinema. Come over to this side. So okay, I guess I'll say a little bit about Francisco Xavier. Let's see what else is in here. This used to be some restaurants and such. It's kind of quiet, like a little patio over there. It looks quiet today. That's cool. So San Francisco, Sao Francisco Xavier died as a martyr, and he died not too far from here. Let's see what this is. Beautiful. So yeah, he would have died in a martyr, like in an island not too far. Like so there's a street. This street is named after him, but there's other streets with his name and churches. There's one in Coloan, and I think one of his bones was buried here in one of the churches for a while as well. So yeah, San Francisco Xavier. Now we're kind of on this nice little street. This is just garbage, but it's like, it's a nice beautiful sign though. And then Sao Paulo ruins would be right up that way. So we basically just came down this way. And then this is actually St. Paul Street. So this whole street is St. Paul. But yeah, this is our target street right there. Calçada de San Francisco Xavier. And I'm actually going to film this for a few more minutes. Let me just see. This is the building we walked by. And yeah, this has nice cobblestone streets as well. Lots of tourism. And we saw this one right here, Passion Street, which I kind of want to just capture real quick. Put it in the same video. This is parallel, but from this one we can see where we were at, which is the Sao Paulo ruins, right at the top. Really beautiful street. And then Sao Paulo ruins at the top. Okay. And if we went all the way down to the end, it'd be St. Paul ruins, which I don't think I'm going to go all the way down to the end. So we're going to find a good spot to end our video. But yeah, so we basically were on the other side of this, 2 streets down, and then they all go up to Sao Paulo ruins, all 3. Fechao, the stairs of St. Paul ruins. And I think we're gonna do. I think I'm gonna end it, so we'll end it right here. We'll end it here. More interesting stuff down here as well. We'll probably do a separate video of this one. Okay. I'll just go down and just show you. Just to give the full context of everything. We go down. Now you can see the Sao Paulo. All the people everywhere and such. And that just goes all the way down to Santa Square. This is all pedestrian street, so you can walk without any cars. And then that's the Sao Paulo ruins that we started at up there. Okay.